Hey guys, it's Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you Tumblr, how you can utilize Tumblr to promote your Redbubble products. I'm not going to say that I'm an expert at promoting products on Tumblr. I am also recently using the platform and I am new to the platform. But the thing is that there is a huge scope and a huge opportunity to promote your products on this platform because not a lot of people are doing this stuff. And the thing is that it is a visual platform, means the platform is related to graphics and all this stuff. That's the reason why there is a great chance that you can sell your products on Tumblr also. So let's just dive and let's just create an account on Tumblr and let's just discuss on an initial level how you can start promoting your designs on Tumblr. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. Computer screen and we are into the Tumblr platform. Now the thing is that you can easily create account on Tumblr. All you need to do is have a Gmail account and you can sign up with your Gmail account on this platform. It is really very simple. Now this is a platform which is somewhat similar to Instagram. You can upload your photographs, your small videos, you can share your links as well as many other things on this platform. So this is all about the platform. Okay, and the thing about Tumblr is that it works on hashtags just like Instagram. So the better hashtags you add to your products, the more you can make money out of this platform, or the more you can grow your following on this platform and promote more Redbubble products and make more money. Okay, so now the thing is that, see, you can see there is this button which is also really interesting to me in this platform because this can be really helpful because there are a lot of things which are trending on a Tumblr for certain times. So you can create specific posts of your products which can be somewhat related to the trending topic, and in this way you can also drive some extra traffic to your Redbubble stores. And don't worry, I'm going to show you one of the examples page which you can just create your Tumblr page just like that page and you can start creating content for this page. Okay, so now let's search for some printed t-shirts. Okay, so let's search for some trip printed t-shirts and all that stuff. So okay, this one is not a good one, but you can see there are a lot of examples which are given over here. So you can see it's basically a visual platform. That means that you just have to create some of the mockups. Okay, some mockups for the designs which you want to create, and in this way you can do a lot of things. Okay, as well as there is a great opportunity in this also. Let's see this blog topsy-turvy t-shirts, and you can see, so now you can see that this is a visual platform, and what they are doing is that they are basically adding the t-shirts. Okay, adding the images of the t-shirts in that particular blog, and you can see that they are also giving, so here is the link to, so you can see here is the link to the website, as well as they are using some kind of hashtags over here. So now you can see there are a lot of posts they are creating, and you can see that this due to this hashtags this post is reaching to a lot of people. So this is the particular way which you can also utilize to upload a lot of your things on this platform. Also you can just directly go to your Redbubble store, download some of the images of the products, and you can directly start promoting those or add those products to your Tumblr profile. All you need to do is just upload some images, and that's it. Okay, as well as let me give you some extra ideas, some extra information, so that you can make some extra money. And that is that you just need to go to this platform that is known as placeit.com. Just sign up for that and go for the free mockups. Okay, so once you sign up for placeit.net, you can just go and search for free mockups, and you will see all these free mockups are available over here. So all you need to do is just upload your print on demand design to any of these mockups and download this mockup to your computer absolutely for free. And after that you can add this beautiful mockups to your Tumblr profile, and in this way there is a great chance that you will get
higher engagement, and there is a greater chance that you can start making some more money out of it, reaching more people. And in this way there is an opportunity for you to completely build a following on this platform. I'm not going to say that it will be an overnight success for you, that you just make one post on Tumblr and it went viral. That is not going to happen. But if you consistently work on this platform has a lot of potential for you to promote your Redbubble products, and definitely it is going to learn it is going to run for a long time. As well as you can see there are more than 200 millions of visitors on this platform every single month, and the most of the traffic is from US, Canada, as well as first world countries, European countries. So there is a great chance that you are gonna get very good amount of sales from this platform. I hope you have got some value out of this video, and you are going to start working and making do your own research about this platform, because it's really awesome and it is very unexplored platform in terms of people who are working on Redbubble. So definitely I highly recommend you to experiment with this platform, because there is a huge potential that you may get very good results from this platform.
So these are some of the initial things which you can do and start promoting your products on Tumblr. You will get some results out of it. I'm not gonna say that you are gonna get overnight results out of it, but it may take some time, and after that you will get some results from this. The thing is that you just have to experiment with different platforms. Only after that you will find a platform which will be really helpful to you in getting more sales. Okay, so definitely try this strategy and do this work, and maybe you may get more sales. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.